Here we are on our road, Tanager Road. How's it going?
It's okay.
What? Because I can edit it later to do what I want, you know? They put a pump, see? Unfortunately, that apartment right there got flooded. We got the fire department helping out. They're just hooking up a pump. Wow, this is crazy. The camera doesn't do justice to what we see. It really does not. This was a small stream, a very, very small stream. Now this is actually not all rainwater. This is from a dam, Peddler Hill Dam that broke last night due to Hurricane Irene. And this is the result of that dam breaking. And let's take it a little forward here. And as we go forward, if you can see that sign right there, can you see it? Yep. I'll give you an idea of how deep it is, of how high the water is. Going forward, the dam actually broke, this water actually broke this bridge right over here. And this car got caught last night. This is all from the dam. Back to that guy. Now, of course, this is nothing compared to Katrina or anything of that nature, but this is something that we've never experienced here. Up in Orange County, New York. Monroe, New York. We got logs stuck up on the divider right there. Crazy. See how strong the water is? Wow, look at that car, man. इसमें भी कुछ उन्होंने कर दिया
सर, गाड़ी के लिए डूबी
ऐसा ऊपर जाएगा आवाज नहीं आएगी
कोई और डालने की आवाज नहीं।
The sound of the water. It's amazing. These guys are all safe, especially the building up there. They're totally fine. Wow, this man. What's going on? Look at the dam. I think it does. I don't know how to though.
Isn't that crazy?
It is crazy. We've never seen anything like this one. Not up here.
I also muted over here. I also muted. I also walked. I love them. Yeah, I want to go check up on them. One over there, the one down there. Yeah, it's over there. 2001. What is it? 22, I know.
That is crazy.
I was worried about 20.
This here used to be a little stream, a very, very little stream. It's now a raging river, kinda. It's amazing because, I mean, literally inches high and, 20, 30 inches wide. That's it. A very small stream. And apparently up that way, we have a dam, a reservoir that broke. And this is the result of all of that. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. But oh my God, we've never seen this before. We moved here about 3 years ago, but they say that the dam broke once before, many, many years ago. Look at this. Damn. I'm not shitting you guys. Believe it or not, the water, you see this tree right there? That tree? That's where the water would start. And it was just a little stream, that's it. Wow. And this was also the culprit that broke that bridge over there where you just saw the car fall into that sinkhole. Have you guys seen the dam break yet? Have you guys seen the dam yet? No? That's where all this is coming from.
Where's the dam? The dam.
Yeah, they said that the dam broke. Peddler Hill Dam.
Our apartment was up. We live on the first floor, on the corner here, and we had up to the second level.
The water's up to the second level?
No, up to the second of the steps.
Gotcha.
Little Niagara Falls out there.
I know, Little Niagara Falls. Crazy. This is crazy. I've never seen it before.
I want to go rafting.
I was just thinking that, whitewater rafting.
I think